Hello everybody, in this video we're gonna create an amazing neomorphism loading animation with HTML and CSS. So let's get started. This folder is empty and I'm open this with Visual Studio Code. So in here I create an index file, index.html, and Shift 1 and hit Tab. I copy and paste the title and I create a style file, style.css, and I link the CSS file. Alright, in the body tag I create a neo div, so I type .neo and hit tab, and in the neo I wanna made a neo shape .neo underline shape, and in the shape I wanna make a div with class neo underline inner, and in the inner I just wanna create 4 div with class neo ball dot neo underline ball and multiply it 4. Okay. Alright, we're done with the HTML and now it's time for styling. First of all, I started with removing the style of the browser. So I say padding 0 and margin 0 and box sizing border box as always. And now it's time to go and show this HTML open with live server. Alright, now we start with neodiv. So I say .neo with 100% and height 100 VH. I add a background, display, flex, line item center, justify content center. Okay, now we're done with the neo div and now it's time to style the neo shape .neo underline shape. We wanna create a 300 pixel circle, so I said with 300 pixel, height would be 300 pixel 2. I add a border radius of 50% and I say display block and I add background as same as this background. Also I add display flex, align item center and justify content center. Okay, now it's time to add box shadow in set 8 pixel 8 pixel 16 pixel and I add this color. Also another inset, I just copy this and paste it here. This would be minus 8 pixel, minus 8 pixel, and the color is a little bit different. So I add the color and hit save. Now you can see we add a circle here. So let's get back here. Now it's time to style up the neo inner. I copy this and I set .neo inner. I start with width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, and the rest of the styles would be the same as .neo shape. So I added in this part, and also in the box shadow I copy this and paste it here, and I just remove the insert, Ctrl S, and also we don't need display block in here. I hit save again. Well, now it's time for the neo ball div. I copy one of these and I say position absolute, height 300 pixel, width 300 pixel, display flex, and justify content space between, and flex direction column. Actually, we don't need 300 pixel, we just need 50 pixel. Well, now to add these balls, we need to use before and after of this div. So I said .neoball before and .neoball after. First I say content empty for the radius 50%, width 44 pixel, height 44 pixel, position relative, and I say top 3 pixel. I add a box shadow 15 pixel and this color. I also add an background image, linear gradient. I say 112 degree, and I just add this color of 21.6% and this color 92.2%. I hit save. Now you can see the balls, but actually I need one of these. I say .neoball after, top auto, and bottom 3 pixel. Okay, now to spin these balls we need to add a keyframe, but before that I want to pick each individual div to add some animation and z-index to it. So for doing that I say .neoball nth child 1. I add an animation, name spin. We're gonna make it a little bit later, acing out and infinite. Okay, I add a z-index 4. Alright, so I copy this and paste it here, nth child 2. Animation would be the same, but I add a little delay to this, 0.04 second delay, and also I add opacity to this, 0.7, and hit save. I copy this again and I say nth child 3. Also in here I say z-index 3. In here I say z-index 2, opacity 0.4, and I increase delay. Now it's time for nth 4. So I copy and paste it again, nth child 4. I decrease the amount of delay and I say z-index 1. Opacity would be okay. Now let's add our animation. Keyframes, spin in 0%. I add transform, rotate 0 degree. I copy this and paste it again. I say in 100%, rotate 1440 degree. I hit save and I wait to see our animation. So as you can see, the balls of the follow the main balls aren't the same of this animation. For doing that, I have to decrease the scale of the other balls. For doing that, I say .neoball nth child 2 before, and I copy this again and I say after, and I add transform scale 0.9. This is just for nth child 2. Now you can see our nth child 2 is a little bit smaller than the main ball. So I repeat this for another nth child 3. and I say scale 0.8 and also for nth child 4 and I add scale 0.7, hit save again and wait to see. Alright guys, our job basically is done, and now we have an amazing loading animation and we can use it in our project. But you know, you can play around with this as always, and you can, I don't know, decrease the amount of rotating. For example, I say 3000 degrees and hit save, and now we can see it's a little bit different from that. Also, we can decrease the amount of the time of animation. For example, I say 5 seconds, and now you can see it's different from this animation. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.